Welcome to the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen, where we share gourmet recipes at a low-budget wonder. Now check this out.
If you don't have fresh peaches, frozen slices are a good alternative to help chill your red wine when you're making sangria. Just pour your favorite red wine right over the top. Then you're going to want an equal amount of peach schnapps. So that gives you 1 part peaches, 1 part wine, 1 part schnapps. Now you're going to need ½ part lemonade. And my secret ingredient, half a can of Mountain Dew. But it isn't sangria without a few shots of brandy. Now just give it a good stir. And there you have it, peach sangria, right here in the Poor Man's Gourmet Kitchen.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to stop by PoorMansGourmetKitchen.com for more recipes and exact ingredients.